Hey guys, this video's on these wireless AirPods. Go ahead and do an unboxing on them. Picked these up at Costco. So the reason we picked them up is because one of them was lost. Couldn't find it, didn't have a warranty for it, so I was forced to buy some new ones. And so I've got a little experience with these, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox them and check it out. So. Apple in California. Alright, here they are. Nice new case. And they just go right into that case to charge. Took this plastic off there. Nice new shiny case. And over here comes with the charger. Okay, one of the things that I like about these is that they are small. One of the nice things about this is they don't stick out this way. They have like a more of a sleek profile. Some of the other earbuds stick way out like that far. These are really nice. They fit right down into your ear, and they last a long time too. So we've gotten them wet, we've gotten them dirty, you know, used them all around, all over. And so one of the things I don't like, there's a couple things on here that bother me about these ones, is that this surface is really smooth here. And so if you were thinking about trying to use these for working out, they fall out of your ear and they slide right out. So there's nothing to really grip your ear. That being said, they have really good sound. And so if you're not gonna do any running with these or hiking, probably will be all right for hiking or just walking. Actually, they are good for that, but start getting sweaty and start running, they fall out and you're just constantly pushing them back in. So that's a downfall. The other things I don't like is that this case here. So a lot of times, you know, where do you put your case when you're not using it? Well, these ones fit right in your pocket. So one of the problems that we've had is that you'll get a little pocket lint down in there, and then you'll go to plug your charger in and it won't plug in. So, you know, it'll go part way in, but it won't charge it. And so you have to really be careful to keep that clean, keep it lint free. If you do happen to get lint down in it, I just grabbed some really fine tweezers and was able to pick it all out. But the problem is once it gets in there, it just gets mashed in there. And so it's even hard to see, especially if you have white lint in there. It's hard to see. You can't really figure out what's going on until you go probing around there, either with a needle, paper clip, or some tweezers. And so nice long charging cord here, which is really nice. Again, these are nice and compact, and so it fits in your pocket. They fit in your ear really well. Again, good sound. Just for me, these don't work well just for running. Great for airplanes, office, you know, bus rides, everything but running. Or, you know, if you were gonna do push-ups with these and you're all sweaty, they're gonna fall right out. So that's, you know, those are the only couple drawbacks I can see with these. Price-wise, they're fairly reasonable. I mean, compared to all the other earbuds on the market that are of any quality. And so yeah, so we'll go ahead and charge these new ones up and get to rocking out. And thanks for watching, and go pick some up if this fits your needs. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, one last thing I want to mention with these earbuds is that they work really well for talking on the phone too. So, you know, if you're listening to music, you get a phone call coming in, you can pick right up on it. And so one of the things about this, a lot of other earbuds will come with adjustments on the earbud itself. These ones don't have any, which is kind of nice, which also lends itself to being having a sleek profile, is that there isn't a lot of adjustments on here. It's all done on your phone. So it's kind of nice. All right, thanks again.